In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho CRM password. Keeping your account secure is essential. Whether you're updating your credentials regularly for security reasons or simply need to set a new password, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, head over to your profile avatar. Typically, this is located in the upper right corner of your screen and usually displays either your initials or a profile picture if you've set one. Clicking on this avatar will present a drop-down menu of several options related to your account and preferences. From the drop-down list, you'll want to select My Zoho Account. This action will redirect you out of the CRM application and into the Zoho Accounts portal. This is a centralized hub where you can manage a variety of settings concerning your entire Zoho experience, from personal information to security measures. Now that you've arrived at the Zoho Accounts portal, it's time to focus specifically on your account's security settings. Look for the tab labeled Security. It's usually prominently displayed in the main navigation area, so it should be relatively simple to find. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page that details various security options and settings related to your account. Within the Security section, scroll until you find the Password section. Directly beneath that, you'll notice a button marked Change Password. Go ahead and click on that button. At this stage, you're prompted to enter your current password. This step is crucial to verify your identity and ensure that it's indeed you who's making the change. After entering your current password, you'll proceed to input your choice for a new password. You'll need to enter this new password twice. Doing so confirms that you've typed it correctly and helps minimize any potential typos. A good tip here is to choose a strong and unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's crucial to strike a balance between security and memorability, so consider using a passphrase or an easily remembered combination. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, you'll find a Save button, typically located towards the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will submit your changes. Keep an eye out for any confirmation messages that might pop up. These typically indicate that your password has been updated successfully. And that's it. You've changed your Zoho CRM password. If you run into any issues, such as error messages stating incorrect passwords, double-check your entries carefully. Do ensure you're entering your current password correctly and that your new password entries match. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. We hope this has been a straightforward process for you in keeping your account secure. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.